tired of wasting money on expensive data plan? So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys a very good cheap data code for MTN. So all you need to do is to continue watching right now. Hi besties, my name is Queen Alice and you're welcome to my empire. I want to share with you guys a cheap MTN code that has been helping me on my data plan for my content creating. Being a content creator, we all know that you need a good quality data plan, whether you're a content creator, a streamer, or you are just like a casual person. You need a daily data plan, you need a weekly data plan, you need a monthly data plan. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is that I'm going to be sharing 2 daily data plan and 2 weekly data plan and 3 monthly data plan. So let's get into the video. So guys, the first code we are going to be trying out, already writing them down. All these MTN code, they are working and they are very good. So let's move to the first code we are going to be using on this. So this one is for 40 MB and this is a daily plan. So 40 MB you can get it as low as 50 naira. So all you need to dial is *312 *114 hash, *312 *114 hash. I'm definitely going to be putting the code on the screen so you can get it. So let's move to the next one. So guys, the next data code you can get, this is a daily plan as well and it's go for 100 MB and you can buy it as low as 100 naira. So all you need to do is to dial *312 *104 hash. I'm going to be putting the code on the screen for that as well so that you can get it. So let's move to another interesting one. This is the interesting one about it. So guys, this one is a daily plan as well. So this one can serve you for 2 days. Yes, you need the data for 2 days and you need a something huge. So this one is very good. It's a very good deal. Actually, it's a very good deal. So let's move to it. So the second, this one is 2 gig for 500 naira. Is that not cheap? It's cheap. Honestly, it's very cheap. So you dial *312 *154 hash, *312 *154 hash. I'm going to be putting the code on the screen as usual. So let's move to the next one. So this one is for 2.5 gig for 600 naira. Okay, so this is *312 *146 hash. This is working. They are working. I'm going to be putting it on the screen as well so that you can check it out. So guys, if you are looking for like a very huge plan, and this one it will shock you. So this one is for 15 and it's a weekly deal and it's going for 6 gig. You're going to be getting 6 gig for 15 and it's a monthly deal. So all you need to do is to test 143 to 131. You will test 143 to 131. That's all you need to do. You test 143 to 131. So I'm going to be putting it on the screen so that you can get the clearer picture of what I'm talking about. So let's move to the next one. What I want to talk about is, okay, so I'm coming guys, let's talk about okay, so we're going to be talking about 1000 naira, which is 4 gig. Okay, this one is for 4 gig. You can get it for I'm coming guys, I'm looking. Okay guys, so we are going to be moving to the monthly offer, which is the best. Okay, we need something that can last us for at least a month and this is the best code for them. So guys, this one is 4 gig and you'll be getting it for 1000 naira and this is going to be, you know, serve you for like a month and it is interesting guys. It's very interesting. So all you need to do is to dial *131 *65 hash and select the option 3 and test 1032 131, or you can test. Okay guys, you have 2 options here. So is either you dial *131 *65 hash, or you select the option 3, or you test 103 to 131. So I'm going to be putting it on the screen for clearer pictures. So any of those plans you are going for, they are very good. So guys, this is the interesting one about it. This one is my favorite and I'll have to share it guys. So this one is 9 gig for 2000 naira. Where can you get this kind of offer from? where can you get this kind of an interesting offer from? I don't think you can get it from anywhere else. I don't think you can get it from anywhere. So guys, this one is 9 gig for 2,000 naira. This offer is for, this one is from my favorite plan, my favorite code. See guys, I am saving this the best for the last because this is what I'm personally using. Okay, this one is *121#. So guys, *121#, if you have not dialed it before on your phone, so they are going to be giving you 4 options and you are going to be going for the 4th option, which is data for me. You are going to be seeing it, you are going to be seeing where they write data for me, and that is the one you are going to be clicking on, the one that writes data for me. You see this code *121 is like the code you can ever ask for. So they have 4 data plan. You can try any of them. They have daily options, they have weekly options, they have monthly options. Like, this is my own personal data code I am using. The last data plan that I bought it 75 and it's 33 something gig and it's almost like 40 gig. I got it for 6 something 5. So is that not interesting? So they have the 9,000 naira offer, which is you are going to be getting 9 gig offer, which you are going to be getting it for 2,000 naira. My love, where can you get this kind of deal from? Where can you get this kind of data deal from? Go ahead and try any of those code out, and all of them, they are working, and I'm so happy, I'm so delighted to share this with you all. Thank you all so much for watching, and definitely guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye and stay safe. Thank you to MTN for this amazing privilege, for this amazing offer. I'm so happy honestly, especially for the *121#. Go and try any of the options out. You are going to be happy with the results. So guys, thank you all so much for watching, and bye. Please guys, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to Queen Alice Empire. Join this empire, let's grow together, where we share different things, different ideas, so you do not want to miss it out. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye.
Lights on the screen, no time to pause.